Okay, how to create presentation with Canva AI. You can Google it, just Canva AI Presentation, and then go to this link, AI Presentation Maker, on canva.com website. So I click here, and when you open this website, you can see this page. And all you need to do is just click on the button Create a Presentation with AI. Please check the website address. It should be canva.com Create AI Presentations. Then click on the button Create a Presentation with AI. Yeah, and here you can see this page. It means that you need to write your search string, or you need to describe what presentation you want to create, and this Canva AI will create this presentation for you, including all the necessary photos and texts. For example, if I want to create presentation for my business report, I need to write here business, maybe also report presentations. As you can see, I've already tried it. Okay, business report. Click enter, and these are templates that you can choose from. These different templates for your presentation. It actually takes a few seconds to create presentation really from scratch. If I want to look closer on one of the templates, I can click on it, and you can see that this template includes a few pages, 13 pages, and this is the template of these slides. If it's okay for you, if you like it, you can choose this template, or you can click on some another templates, for example this one. And if you like this template more than the previous one, then you can choose this template. Okay, I like this template, and I just need to click apply all 15 pages. Yes, replace all pages, and that's it. This is my new presentation. Here I can edit everything that I want, as usual in Canva. Like, if you know how to work in Canva, in general, it will be easy for you. But just for an example, like presentation, yeah, I can write any my text. Let's write report, and yeah, business report. You can write here your company name or anything that you want, maybe some dates for report. Yeah, and also you can edit all of the slides. If you don't want to use any of the slides, you can just delete it. You need to click here and just delete page, or you can use your delete button on the keyboard. Yeah, and that's it. This is how you can easily create presentation with Canva AI.